if we've got slow running drains, what are the first things y'all start looking at when you get there to reestablish the flow?
To reestablish flow, the most common thing would be a rooter machine.
Okay.
So using a rooter machine, it's a small machine. It has a steel cable on the inside of it. Sometimes you use an auger or a spring tile head on the end of it. You use that rooter machine to get in there and break up what would be normally a soft blockage, right? And if you can restore the flow that way, awesome.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, absolutely. Everyone's praising, right? And that's a great way to restore the flow. So the smart thing to do once that's done, if it is an older home, would be to then use a sewer camera, an inspection camera. You want to take a good look at the inside of the pipes to make sure not only that you got the stoppage free and clear and flowing, other than just testing it with water, but to kind of find out, why did it stop up? Was there a reason, or was it just an overload of some baby wipes or something of that nature? So that way you can tell what may possibly be next. Does it need a different type of cleaning, more advanced? Does it need a replacement like the cast iron lines you were replacing? What does it need?